All right, so after a little inspection, the 25 has been cleaned, and it's very clean. I don't need to do anything to it at all. The only thing I really need to do is replace the hose because this is broken. But other than that, it's in great shape. I just need to find probably a magic eraser to clean all that off. But so here it is running. So it actually cleans pretty well, I must say. It's definitely better than the DC25, I can tell you that, because I had a DC25. That was my very first Dyson ever. And this is basically just the big version of the 24. The 24 is the mini version of this. It's definitely better than a 24. It's not the best I've used, but it's pretty all right, and it does great. It sounds good. Yeah, it's great. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the 28 and the 41.